Hi everybody, so this is CareyNMe Lifestyles. This is me bare face, no eyebrows, no lashes on. Soon I think I'm going to get microbladed or, get my lashes done. Before you think it's got something to do with not taking care of skin, got another thing coming. I am a diabetic, so let's keep it real. It causes me like fungal spots that I already have a prescription for. And I have to make sure I use it on a reg. And if my diabetes is out of whack, it kind of makes my skin out of whack too. So a lot of all natural stuff like tea tree oil helps a lot with all of this. Keeping your blood sugar together is difficult, but I've done pretty well. I used to weigh 185 pounds, and now I weigh 156 pounds, and I'm only 5'4". So me weighing 185 pounds made my blood sugar totally out of whack. But anyway, I was in a store the other day, and I ran into one of my beautiful friends. She asked me where I got my eyebrows done, and I told her I did them, and she was like, "Really?" And I was like, "But it took me forever to learn." I on my channel earlier on my channel way back when I did my first eyebrow tutorial video, and I got a lot of views on it, but I also got a lot of ridicule, like, "Oh, your eyebrows are too boxy. Oh, you should fade them more in the beginning." And then later on, I realized that I was doing my eyebrows the way I liked them. It wasn't how everybody else thought I should do them. It was the way I thought I should do them. So I'm gonna redo one eyebrow to show you what I normally do. Like I said, it's taken me a while to get this good. I've learned to use a lot of different things. I've learned my liner is better in black brown than in any other color. I've learned that if I use, what's this one? Oh, this is just a plain old Wet n Wild. Y'all know me on CareyNMe Lifestyles. I don't like to pay a lot of money for a lot of things. So this is a Wet n Wild brown black liner. It's waterproof. They say it's retractable. It's eyeliner. What I like about it is the point. So normally what I do is, let's see here. Let's make sure I'm right. I just had the other eyebrow brush. I don't know what I did with it. Well, anyway, I'll take something like this, like an eyebrow brush. And then normally I just go in the mirror and then like brush my brows. And if you like look carefully, I got like red around my brows. This is what I have the medication for. I've been to the doctor about this. I'll probably have to go back to the dermatologist again because the blood sugar causes it to be a fungal thing. So I make sure that I clean my makeup brushes a lot and like replace them a lot so that this doesn't get worse on me. But for a while, my blood sugar was so out of whack. It was tearing up my skin. That's something else about health. Like if you're not in good health and you got some underlying condition like me, it could start affecting other things. So let's turn this up a little bit. Okay, that way, yeah. So what I like about this one is it has a point, and basically what I normally do is I go to the bottom of my eyebrow, the bottom. I go lightly at the top, which will create a shape. And I leave the front open-ended. I usually stop from the tip of inner corner of your eye to here. Is about how far I'll go. I kind of like the tail end to go a little bit further. I don't always fill in. The color I just used is like a black brown. It'll get pretty dark, so sometimes I'll come in and I fill in with a different color. And like I said, you know me, I don't like to use anything Super expensive. It's golly living on a budget. It's, forgive me for not having everything right in my hand, because when I just happened to think about this as I was washing my face and redoing stuff on my face. I just happened to think about the friend that I saw the other day and how she was complimenting, my eyebrows or whatever else. So this is LA Colors brow pencil. It's dark brown or black brown. And after I've done what you guys just see, I just go in and start to fill. And as you start to fill, you'll begin to see your brow take shape. I don't claim to be some professional. I don't claim to act like I do the best eyebrows in the world. I'm just making sure that I'm able to do my own on a daily basis for work, and just so that I'm happy with the way I look in private, not in public, not everybody else, what everybody else thinks. You should always do things for yourself, not for anybody else's gratification. So then you can already see I have an eyebrow kind of filled in. Okay. I then I have like my favorite brushes. Let me find one. Okay. So this brush has a flat tip. This is the one I use to do the cleaning. When you do the cleaning, you're going to use, what is this one? This one is from Maybelline, New York. This is called Master Camo Color Correcting Kit Ensemble Corrected Concealer. If you look at it, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different nude shades. Okay. The ones I've used the most are the one in the corner and the second one. So I'm going to go for that second one, which is kind of like a little bit of a darker shade than the first one. I used to use the first one. Okay, and basically I just put my brush in the color. And there is the color. And after I put my brush in the color, I go directly underneath my eyebrow. Okay, this is where you want to start when you're going to learn how to get your eyebrows better shaped. When you're putting on the color, if you notice, I keep turning my brush. I turn my brush to the angle I want the arch of my eyebrow to go. I keep doing it until I'm satisfied. If I want it to go a little higher, I go a little higher. You don't have to be perfect. It's not about you being perfect. I always come in the front and go downward because that's going to be the edge of the eyebrow. So I just go downward and then I come on the top and take my brush and go all the way across the top until I get a shape. I see I like what happened here. And if there's something I don't like, I go back and I fix it. Until I'm satisfied. And really I could use a little tweeze, because you guys, if you tweeze your eyebrows, it takes out all the extra hairs so that when you're cleaning them, it looks even better. But like, I'm lazy on this new year and I don't feel like being bothered with all that. So I'm not gonna do that. And there we go. Yes, and here is my eyebrow. If you don't like a square shape, I wrestle with what I like right here. It's like hard for me to like, some people can, like I got a cousin who's really good who can fade her eyebrows and I can't really do it that well. I do sometimes play with a stencil. When you get done, if you take your same makeup brush and go back over the top of your eyebrow. We use the cleaner very carefully and then go under. I don't take too much of my cleaner off from underneath my eyebrow because I wear a lot of eye color and that helps my eye color. So I don't take a lot from here, but I do take it all off top. And then once I go back on with foundation, it really becomes better. I guess like one way to make it like fade a little bit is take a little brush and take it out if you want to. I've done that before, taking a little bit of the color off, but I don't really get so concerned about fading too much. I don't know. Some girl told me I should fade them a long time ago when she watched one of my videos, and as I looked on Channel 7 News, they were all the Latino girls with their eyebrows as dark as mine. So, like I tell you, it's about opinion. I love eyeshadow. Let me tell you, look at this one, right? It was like $3, and it's like hearts, and there's like every color you could think of in here. So, let's see, because I didn't plan to really do eyeshadow today, but I'll do a little so that you guys can see. So, like most of the time I find me a base color that I like. I love earth tones, so I'm gonna do my gold color. This is my gold color. And this is not me putting on, this is not me putting on lashes yet, so I don't have any lashes. My gold color. And normally, you guys, I put on lashes first, but today, like I said, I'm lazy and I don't want to wear lashes, and I'm only in the house. I'm not going anywhere. And I really didn't plan on doing eyeshadow, so I'm just showing you what I normally do. That second color is like a chocolate brown, and this is what I was talking about, the cleaner. The cleaner is, I didn't take too much of it off because it'll just stay in there. And then what I'll do is I'll find a light shade, right? Which I don't have in this one, but I do have in my other palette. And it's usually like a really light shade, and I'll do this, which then becomes the other color. But the cleaner helps it. And I play around. If I don't feel like it's cold enough, I'll go back in there and put more. If I want it to stand out, sometimes I'll add in my copper. Until I get a good eye. Once I get a good eye, I'll come in here with my little makeup brush, take a little extra cleanup. So here's one eye. I don't know how good this lighting is. I need to go across here so I can see. That's still there. So yeah, there. Wait a minute. Here's one eye. Done. And then here's my naked eye. My naked eye, my naked eyebrow with nothing. And here's my new improved eyes. It takes my finger really get it all off. And like I said, I will go back under there with foundation afterwards. And I'll end up with a eyelash on eventually. But not right now. All right, so I hope this helps somebody. If you go back on my page and look at my videos a long time ago, when I first started doing this, my eyebrows, one used to be like way over here and one used to be like right here. I was actually out in public like that. I didn't even notice it until I would look back at pictures or videos of myself. But practice makes perfect. Like just a couple months ago, I couldn't even do an eyelash, and now I get up every day and I can put my eyelashes on like nothing. So if you keep practicing things, keep doing things, you'll get it eventually. And you know, it's always like I say, godly living on a budget. You don't have to spend too much money to help yourself to look the way you want. It's not about what other people think you should look like. It's about what you think you should look like. Okay? Have confidence in yourself. Love yourself. Don't worry about what people think. Worry about what you think. What do you like? What do you like to see yourself as? What makes you happy? What makes your significant other happy? How do they like you to look? You know, my husband likes the way I look. I like the way I look. So that's what it's about. Anyway, I hope you have a happy and prosperous new year and filled with a lot of blessings. And hopefully I'll do some things to liven this channel back up. Been really, really busy, but I would like to get it going again. All of you that supported me previously, I thank you. God bless you. And Happy New Year. CareyNMe Lifestyles, Carey.